Good morning. Happy Earth Day and happy Jersey Day. So, you guys are going to be completing this Earth Day choice board. So, we're already on the board. We already got to read through some of the directions. I'm just going to help explain a little bit more. So, you are on this slide right here that will have a video on it. And you're going to go through and complete three things on this choice board. And if you are in the present mode on Google Slides right now, go out of that because you want your editing ability around here so that you can complete the choice board. Okay, so you don't want it to take up your full screen. You want it to look like mine, maybe in the app or on Safari. So I'm going to go to the next slide, slide 4, and this is going to show all the different choices. So I need to pick 3 or more. You can always make a new X and add more. And just looking at, let's look at this first box here. What's your footprint? Take this quiz to see what your carbon footprint is. Record your data on this slide. So we can see that this quiz and this slide are blue underlined, which means they're a link to go somewhere else. So let's click this quiz and see where it will take us. So it says right here, carbon emissions calculator. So I'm going to click on that quiz. It might take me to Safari now, but it's taking me to a different tab. And then I can see that I'm going to be filling in this little carbon emissions calculator to see what my annual carbon emissions are, CO2 into the atmosphere. And you're going to need to record your results. So you just take a screenshot of the quiz once it's done. And if we go back to the choice board, it said you'll record it on this slide. So we'll click on this slide and it'll link us right to the slide in our presentation and happen to be the next one down. So then you'd paste your screenshot right here in this box. Or if you took a photo like on your phone, but I feel like screenshots might be easier. Then there's also a little button on the side where you say click to go back to the choice board. And you could always find it on the side on this little display, but we'll go back to the choice board and boom, there we are. We finished taking our carbon emissions quiz. So we're going to move our X over maybe there. Oh man, it's thinking. There we go. So now we got one of the 3 done. So if you want to kind of look around and see which one interests you more, by all means, go ahead and do that. If you want to complete, like I said, more than 3, you can always right click on an X and click copy. Then on the screen here, right click again. And wait patiently for the internet and paste. And then you will get another X to cover things up. Once you've gone through and got 3 completed, you've already made a copy. So that means that's your copy that's only shared for you. You're going to need to share it with me so that I can see your results. And the way you do that is you go to share, just like you would with like Google Docs or anything like that. And you're going to put in my Google email, which is cschumac@apps.isd742.org. And you're going to share it so that I can see all of your wonderful results and all the ways you are working to make this world a better place. I will put these instructions on the page as well so you can go back and read them if you need to. Message me if you have questions and have a great day.